Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kanika, and in today's tutorial I will be showing you how to make an infinity dress. This is the first time that I've ever made an infinity dress and I've been wanting to make it for a really long time. So let's start. Items that you need to make your infinity dress. One is you need a stretchy fabric, preferably which stretches all four ways. You need scissors, you need inchy tape, you need a tailor's chalk and some pins, and of course a sewing machine. So we're going to start with cutting the fabric first. So we're going to cut the circle skirt part of the dress first. So fold the fabric in half and fold it again. Now, to know your measurements for cutting a circle skirt for yourself, there's one really easy way to understand this. So basically your circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, right? And you want your waist to be equal to the circumference. So you're going to calculate the radius for that circumference. So simple formula will be your waist size is equal to 2 pi r. Pi is 3.14, so if your waist size is say 30, it will be 30 is equal to 2 into 3.14 into r, and you calculate your r, and that is what you're going to be cutting the top part for your circle skirt. Just reduce it by a little bit because you need some seam allowance there. The length of the circle skirt can be as long as you want it or as long as your fabric allows you to make it. Now for the top part, you need two big panels on the top which will let you drape the infinity dress however you want it to. So you need to make sure that the width of both these panels is big enough to cover your front area. So you can probably mark out your front area first and divide it by half and probably add a couple of more inches because there will be an overlap in the front. I think for myself I took it around 10 or 11 inches for each panel. If you have enough fabric, you can make both of these panels with the right side on the front. Basically put two pieces together so that both the front and the back have the nice right side of the fabric, so that it's easier to drape and the back side does not show. Or you can get some fabric which has the same print on both sides, or is probably plain so it looks the same on both sides. Next up is pinning the panels to the skirt part of the dress. So this is the waist of the dress, and in half part of it we're just gonna put the panels together and stitch it with a zigzag stitch. Once you're done stitching that, the back part of the skirt which was left out, you can just fold it in and hem it. You can hem the bottom part of the skirt, and if you want you can hem the sides of the big panels as well. That's totally up to you. This is the final look and I absolutely love this dress and I cannot wait to wear it. Thank you for watching, and if you liked this tutorial and if you want me to make more tutorials, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel, and also put in the comments below what you want me to make a tutorial for next. You can also follow me on Instagram where I update the new looks which I make, and thanks.